Optimize your credit cards for financial success. Hey there, financial enthusiasts. Welcome back to Financial Freedom, where we dive deep into the world of financial motivation. Today's episode is all about optimizing your credit cards to beat the credit card companies at their own game. Now, let me take you back to a tale of negotiations in the car buying world. Picture an Indian dad, a master negotiator, spending days haggling for a car deal. Fast forward to his son, armed with negotiation skills and a modern approach, ready to make a move. Little did he know, credit would play a crucial role in the game. When I bought my first car, I thought I had it all figured out until the dealer dropped a bombshell about my credit. The experience taught me a valuable lesson about the importance of credit sources. So, let's talk about optimizing your credit cards to avoid the pitfalls I faced. Most people dread negotiating. It's uncomfortable, nerve-wracking, and, let's face it, not everyone's cup of tea. But, I'm here to tell you, negotiation, especially when it comes to credit cards, is a big win waiting to happen. Now, before we delve into the strategies, let's debunk some credit card scare tactics. You've heard the scary stats and headlines: average debt, looming crises, and the emotional rollercoaster. But, fear not. We're here to flip the script. I bring a fresh perspective. Instead of succumbing to fear and anxiety, let's recognize the perks credit cards offer. They're not just a source of debt, they're a tool to enhance your financial life. Credit cards, when managed wisely, provide thousands of dollars worth of perks. They offer a short-term loan if you pay your bills on time, free warranty extensions, and even rental car insurance. The key is to play offense, not defense. Now, let's address the truth about credit cards. They're not the financial boogeyman, but they come with risks. Managing them well is crucial, and I'm here to guide you on how to optimize them. Don't just take my word for it. Listen to these success stories from our community: free flights, luxury hotel stays, and more, all achieved through smart credit card usage. As our listeners shared, switching from playing defense to offense with their money led to incredible financial transformations. From paying off credit card debt to building a robust retirement fund, the possibilities are endless. Now, let's talk about a crucial aspect often overlooked in wealth building: your credit. It's the unsung hero that can save you tens of thousands of dollars. Establishing good credit is the first step to building a solid financial foundation. Your credit report and score, often ignored but powerful, can make or break your financial future. A good credit score can save you thousands in interest charges, making you less risky to lenders. So, here's your call to action: check your credit report and score today. It's a small step that can lead to significant financial gains in the long run. That wraps up today's episode of Financial Freedom. Remember, the game of finances is best played on offense. Optimize your credit cards, squeeze every benefit, and watch your financial life transform. Stay motivated, stay financially empowered, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Don't forget to use our hashtags: #FinancialMotivation, #CreditOptimization, #WealthBuilding, #NegotiateToWin. Until next time, this is your Hot, signing off.